This is an helicopter JXD 355 I bought in your store, and this helicopter is a problem. Okay, I think when I arrived in here with this problem was a battery. I charged this battery, and the problem, to continue with the problem, it's fine only 2 minutes. Only 2 minutes. I think it was the battery, but no battery. I charged battery and persist this problem. I test everything, and I think the problem is in the motor, the main motors A and B. Okay, I show the works motor, and you see it's different. Sound and works is different. Okay, and when go. And you put the power here to show the motor works. Okay, go. The motor is trouble. The sound is noise. Okay. Do you see this problem? The motor is and sound and noise is different. And okay, but eventually it's working. Do you see the bad work? Okay, and now I charge to show other motor. This motor is work is good. Okay, and show it's working. Look in here. The good motor is the sound is different sound, right? It's slowly. It's soft sound. It's work right, okay? Right. I think you, Van, please, when I buy these other engine motors, you test, okay? Before send to me, you test this motor. I buy other, okay? And the other type helicopter 712, because JXD 355, this helicopter have no spare parts, okay? But I think the other spare parts by other helicopter 712 have the other engine, the other motor by 712 works in JXD, okay? I change the tail motor by the 712, okay? I change this motor, tail motor, and works satisfactory, okay, in other helicopter. When the 712 motor, I think works in this helicopter, okay. Please, again, I think again you test, okay, before send to me, okay. I buy order by 712 helicopter, okay. Right.